Bird, you're out. Okay, 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 okay. Hold on. I gotta work on you still. Your friend is gone. Hold on. You're next. Chill out. Chill out. I gotta see how you're hooked. How are you hooked? Is it around your neck or your feet? Hold on. You're okay. It's around your foot. And it's around your wings. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Be still. You're a good bird. Bet you won't ever come back to my balcony again, huh? Alright. No. You still got some. No, you can't get away yet. I'm sorry. Chill. Look at your little foot is all wrapped up. Jeez. Chill out. Good birdie. Good little birdie. Okay, let me get your little foot out here. Hold still. Good thing you're holding still, because this would be much harder if you were moving around. You just want somebody to get you out of here, huh? No, you can't fly. No, you can't. No, dude, you can't fly away with this whole thing stuck to you. You won't get very far. No. You ready? You done freaking out? Are you done freaking out? Good. Okay. Alright. Let's not get your other foot tangled up now. Okay, so it's just around your foot now. Okay, so just chill out. Okay? Not gonna hurt you. You're gonna go home to your family. Just chill. Good bird. Okay. You're lucky I don't think birds are gross. If I thought birds were gross, you wouldn't be. I don't know what I would do. Some people are scared of birds. But I'm not. I'll just wash my hands real good when I'm done. Okay, hold on. You're almost done. You're almost out. Hold on. Man, you guys are tangled up good. Was your friend trying to help save you? I wonder which one of you guys got stuck first. Okay, one more little loop and you're a free bird. It's just around your little ankle. Let me just clip this right here, and then you should be good to go. Alright, you ready? Go! Woohoo! You guys are out of here. Never come back to this balcony, that's for sure.